Hello, I'm Stel. I'm presenting my system software and compiler lab experiment number 2. The experiment is to write a program that takes in a source code and assigns a keyword to a symbol table. So we first get our input of the source code as a string, and then using the split function we split it into an array and store it in the array called arr. Then we run a loop where we compare the first element of the array with int, float, etc. that are the data types, and make sure that it's not a function. So that's why we are checking that I plus 2 should not be equal to an opening of parenthesis. So coming to our loop, we print array of I plus 1, that is second element, which will be our identifier, array of I, which will be our data type, and then we increment I by 2, and then we check for equal to, and if we have a value assigned to the identifier, we print it here. Then we check for a comma. If you have a comma, it means that after comma we have another identifier coming up. So after the comma we repeat the above steps and print the identifier again. And whenever we find a semicolon, we terminate our program. That is, we increment I and we run out of the loop. Compare to function here is used to compare the functions of an array with the given character. This part of the program is for comparing functions, that is when we have parentheses also. So we print the function name here and add the parenthesis symbol and its data type. So running the code, we'll take an input. So this is our input. As we can see, A here is an identifier, its data type is int and its value is 10. So